Welcome to our balloon decoration video. We are excited to show you the fun and creative ways to decorate with balloons for any party or for celebrations. Balloon and playful and festive touch to any event. They are easy to use and come in lots of colors and shapes. In this video, we will show you how to create balloons. Balloon decoration is a great way to make parties look amazing without much effort. They are easy to use and come in lots of colors and shapes. In this video, we will show you how to create balloons, arch and more balloons. Decorations is a great way to make parties look amazing without much effort. You can use balloons for birthday, holidays or any special occasions. We will guide you through simple techniques to make your balloon decorations look professional. Balloons bring a happy vibes to any event and are loved by kids and adults alike. Decorating with balloons is a fun time project you can do for any party. We hope you love the balloons decorations ideas we show in the video. Thanks for watching our balloon decoration video. I hope you found inspiration for your next party or for event. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell of more diet tutorial. Happy decorating and we will see you in the next video. We can customize balloon decorations to match your party theme. Use different size and shape of balloon for different sizes and shapes of balloon for dynamic look. Balloon can be tied to chairs, table or wall decorating. Create a balloon centerpieces for table the party entrance. Balloon work great for indoor and outdoor parties. You can add messages or names or to balloon for a personal touch. Use balloons in bright colors for a fun party vibe. Balloons are affordable and add lots of impact to decorations. Experiment with balloons arrangement to create unique look. Balloons are classic party decoration loved by all. You can make the balloon decorations ahead of time to save stress on party day. Balloons bring smile to kids and the adults alike. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Thanks again for watching our video. We help you enjoy learning about balloons decorations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on new updates and new uploads. We are creating content for you and appreciate your support. If you have any questions or ideas, leave them in the comment section. We are excited to share our more videos with you in the future. Happy decorating and celebrations. Thanks for being a part of our channel community. We will see you in tomorrow in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself and